Head to the Property and Loans section to manage all loan-related activity in one place. Select the Status tab for a quick overview and options to update your loan's progress. Check all the stages and select Edit on the stage your file is currently in to send the loan milestone update. Set the date when the file reaches this stage to save the update and send notifications. A date is required for emails or SMS to go out. Select the borrower to update them or choose all agents and the borrower to notify everyone working on the file. Choose email or SMS to send the update. The system auto-saves the stage date. If you only want to save without sending, click Save. Confirm or update the recipient list for peace of mind before sending the update. Press Send to notify the borrowers or agents you have selected. Click OK to close the confirmation message and get back to managing your loans.